Google just launched Firebase Studio. Now, Firebase Studio is like any other application out there, like Lovable, V0, and Bolt. But with Firebase Studio, what has happened is that Google had already had Firebase database, like an entire backend structure to build your backend application. Now, if you look at this Firebase, it has it has direct uh, like it has authentication, it has real-time database, it has cloud Firestore, cloud storage. You can host the application. You can. There is so much more to it. Like there's monitoring and everything. So now you don't only have the backend. You can also build a front end using this Firebase Studio. And in this video, we are going to give it a try. So let's get into it. So what do you want to build? Let's say we want to uh, build an application, a blackboard application that simulates actual real world blackboard with few color palettes on this side. With few color palettes on this side, let's say around 6. And I'm going to click the prototype with AI button. Let's see what it gives us. All right, so it has said, okay, here's a plan for how we'll prototype this app. Take a look below and customize as needed, or if you are ready, select prototype this app. So it has given us a blueprint, and it says it has these features like canvas simulation, simulate a blackboard interface with dark background and chalk-like drawing tools. It has a color palette, provide a color palette of approximately 6 chalk-like colors for drawing. And it has some drawing tools. Implement different drawing tools such as chalk, eraser, and line thickness. Because maybe the line thickness and this is not what I wanted, but it's fine. We can have it there. Save load functionality, allow users to save and load their blackboard drawings. Clear canvas, provide an option to clear the entire blackboard with a single action. Perfect. Style guidelines, it has this color palette of dark slate gray, bright green, and we can add additional colors, but we'll go with these ones. And then layout is simple and intuitive layout with drawing tools and color palette easily accessible. Iconography, use simple, clean icons for drawing tools and other actions. Prototype is app. Alright, it's creating something now. It has begun coding. Okay, so it's done with the code. It says we have one issue over here. Okay, so let me, oh, I have to take, yeah, fix the error. There is still one more error over here, and still one more issue. Please fix. This time it not break up. It did not detect this error message. Okay, Let's see if it will be able to fix it this time. So the blackboard is working. So the chalk is not working. I cannot draw with chalk, but the eraser is basically uh, removing the blackboard color here. This is weird. The clear is working. Okay, okay. This is funny. All right. So let me tell it. Uh, please fix the chalk. I can't draw anything with the chalk. Let's see if it will be able to like fix this issue. Okay. It's the chalk is still not working. Still not working. This is the second time. Chalk is not working. This is the third time I'm asking if the chalk is not working. It seems to be doing some file changes here and there. Uh, it's not working, but you can still write with an eraser. Chalk. Oh, wait. What's this? So it looks like it has. Look, look what happened. So I can draw with a chalk, or I can draw with an eraser, and I can erase with a chalk. Okay. So I don't know what's going on here, but let me tell it. Let me tell it. The eraser is drawing white lines on the blackboard while the chalk is erasing. It is kind of mixed out the functionality between the chalk and the eraser. Let's see now. It's still the same. Still the same. Mm, Let me tell you, the color palette is missing. We don't see a color palette either, so let's see if it will be able to fix this issue. So this time round, the chalk looks more kind of, actually it's an eraser. It looks more smooth than before. The color palette is still not there. Okay. The color palette is still not there. Vibe coding is not as easy as people think it is, or as people are kind of putting it out there. It's kind of frustrating. Like you keep on asking it, they are the same and same thing again and again. And then it also depends on what model uh, you are working with, what AI model. Hmm. Anyways, so eraser is still a chalk, and the chalk is an eraser, and you don't have any color palette here. So I don't want to make this video long, but also I want to show you something else. So they also have a really nice code editor. If the AI is failing uh, to do what you want, they also have a really good code editor here, which looks similar to what we have in VS Code, the cursor, WinSub. It seems like all of them are using a base code editor. So it's quite similar. So you can see we have a search bar, we have source control, and yeah, here are the files that it has created. Mm. And here is the Gemini. So let me put Gemini over here. Okay, so we have Gemini, which is the built-in model, but we can also change it to so we were using a built-in model till now. So let's use Gemini 2.5 and see how it's doing. Okay, we'll need to have an API key. Let me get the API key for the Gemini. All right, now we are ready to use the Gemini 2.5 Pro. And now let's tell it that uh, on this side, create uh, chalk colors, create around 6 chalk colors. I updated the file. It has generated some files, and it has generated some this. Okay, let me reload. Uh, Clear method blackboard power. I kind of I'm starting to think that it's not able to really understand what we want here. It has created a white kind of whiteboard, and then eraser is basically this white eraser, and the chalk is basically black. And we can only like have this limited space over here where we can draw our thing. Okay, so let me ask Gemini. Uh, Chalk is turn the white space into blackboard. I don't know if it will understand this. Like it's very generic. Turn the white space into blackboard. But let's see what it comes up with. I'll just go ahead and update the file. Okay. The dark background is there, but I want it to be full screen, and when I hit the clear button, everything the dark background is getting erased. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. Uh, this is the last time I'm asking it to do something. If it gets it wrong, we will end the video over here. I've seen other videos, other people trying to create like a drawing board or something like that, and it did pretty well, but it was just the white background and like drawing. But when it comes to like building a blackboard kind of thing, it's failing. I don't know why. Uh, so let's modify to correctly use background color for canvas. Okay, and it errored out. Okay, or we can also have this nice drawing nice. This is nice. Let me let me try to download this and see what we get. Ah, so it added an additional download button where we can download our drawing. Yeah. Uh, this was nice. It was good. I'm tired already. And probably we'll try to build something else next time. Let me know in the comment section below if there is anything you want me to build, or is there any AI tool you want us to go through. Maybe you can try something different. Maybe you can try to build the same application using other tools out there. So just let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, until next time, see ya.